Hello friends, today we go through the entire process of reverse engineering a car part. This is an accessory blank for my EP82 Toyota Starlet. I have the Creality Otter scanner and it's very accurate with its tolerances. Let's scan the part. Another reason for choosing this scanner is it has the ability to scan dark surfaces without the use of reflective marker stickers or scanning spray. While these may help to get a better quality scan, I just need the dimensions to model what I need. Now that we have a decent scan, let's process the point cloud to make a mesh to use in Fusion 360. We can accomplish this part design with fairly simple geometry. Let's create a center line rectangle sketch on the ground plane. Use extrude or press pull option to make the sketch 3D and fit scan dimensions. Repeat the create center line rectangle sketch. For this example, we will now sketch this rectangle on the new body surface. Select the new sketch you created and press pull or extrude to the scan dimensions. Let's fillet the edges as we are finished with the base. Select all corners by holding the Shift button and clicking on the 4 edges, so we can have a uniform fillet. Click and hold the blue arrow, then move inward to fit the scan. Repeat the steps for the other body. Let's sketch the clips. First, hide the bodies and select the center vertical plane. Toggle the bodies back on after you have selected your sketch plane. Let's create a line sketch to match the clip dimensions. Repeat steps for the other side clip. As the sketch was created on the center plane, we can now extrude or press pull to the exact dimensions of the scan. Here we use the two-side extrude feature. While extruding, if the extruded body intersects with the other bodies, the cut feature will automatically activate. Let's change that to the join option. Here we have our finished part. Would it fit? Is the scan data accurate enough? Let's find out. Here we have our part imported into Orca Slicer. Let's rotate the model so the print lines would not be in line with the flex area of the clip. In this orientation, the print lines will run parallel, giving the clips more strength, and not only rely on layer adhesion to hold the part together. This part requires supports to print, so let's activate that. I am printing with ABS filament and it's known to warp, so we will use a large brim to keep the edges of the print from warping. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. Please like and subscribe.